Hello, what is going on? So today I'm going to be trying to fix the slow windows on the MX5 because you all know what they're like. They're terrible. If you've ever owned one, you'll know how slow they are. So we're going to put it in the drive and we'll get started. So to start with, we're going to dismantle the doors. We're going to take the door cards out and then try and remove the windows and the window regulators, and then we'll clean them up. And I've got some new bushings to replace. But yeah, let's get to it. So now I've got access to the motor and the regulator, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the regulator and just clean it up, re-lubricate it, replace all the bushings or whatever I need to, and then put it back together again. And if I'm not showing you what I'm doing so much, I don't actually know what I'm doing, so I'm kind of following the steps how to do this. But I'll show you everything I do on the next one when I've actually learned how to do it properly. But let's figure out how to remove the regulator.
Lights again. I was building this wall of trust, my friend. It isn't easy when you fight for bringing me down. You know I'll be there, can't you see you letting me down?
Oh, I can never tell you that is. Oh, that's well dirty. So we just took one of the sliders out, and I'm going to just clean up this first one first, and then I do somewhere here, I've got some silicone lube, if I can find it now. Yeah, I've got some silicone lube, which is what online I could find people were recommended, but some people say white grease, some people say use different greases and lubricants. Some people use like graphite lubes, which would be more for the cables, but we're going to try this, see how it works, and if it doesn't work we might try something else. And I'm also going to grab a rag and some kind of degreaser.
Lights again.
Yeah.
I was building this wall of trust, my friend. It isn't easy when you fight for bringing me down.
So now we've cleaned up the slider and the window, we've got to take out the motor, I think, to get the the actual sliding rail out, the regulator. I think it just clips on with various clips up here. I'm not sure, we'll just try and get it out, and then we'll clean that up as well. So there we go, the door is now back together. So I'll quickly show you how fast it is, or if it's any better. So I've done the first door and it turned out pretty well. It is a lot faster now and it seems to run a lot smoother. Now we're going to go on to the left door, which is a lot slower, so I'm expecting to see a lot more dirt on the sliders. And I think we're going to do like try and do a 2-minute tutorial for this, because online a lot of the tutorials are quite long, and so I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to do it. Just all the bits you need to know. So the first thing is take this off, lock the door, one screw behind there. Unlock the door and try and open it, and then you should be able to wiggle that out. Next step, pry this off, screw behind there, screw behind there, screw behind there. Now this should all just clip off straight away. And then lift directly upwards. And there's your door cut off. Now all you got to do is 1, 2, 3. You can either use a screw or I think it's an 8mm socket. So this is the clip you want to remove for this rod. You should be able to pry it round. There you go, to one side, and then this drops down. So over this side of this bit, you've got another clip like the one down here. You push this bit up around the side and it pops out. A 10mm bolt here and here. So you've got to get those bolts out. And these are the bits you're trying to get out for the window. Lower the window a little bit. You want to undo these 3 bolts in there. Now the window will pull straight out. Oh, look at that. That hasn't even got a slider on it at all. It's completely destroyed. So now, we're going to remove this slider here, which is 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there. Then we're going to remove the regulator, which is 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, 2 bolts underneath. There's a few little clips about, 1 there, and there should be 1 there, but mine hasn't got it. And then we're going to remove these 3 bolts to get the motor out, put it all out of here. So there you go, that is how you remove all the sliders and the regulator. It's not too hard, and now obviously you're going to clean them up how you would. Choose a grease that whatever you want. I'm using a Silicone Lube, I'll link it in the description. So we're going to clean them up and put them back in. So there you go guys, the windows are done. They are working really well now. They're going up and down really nicely. And it's really not a hard thing to do. Like, you guys could probably do this in 2 or 3 hours if you have all the stuff and just get it done. The Silicone Lube seems to work really well. I would definitely recommend it, but we'll see how it lasts over time. And that is it, that's enough for this video. And if you've made it this far, I'd like to just say, like, the videos have been a bit different recently. I've been like trying to be a bit more creative. Like with when I made the video of insuring the car, I did that whole sequence of me waking up in the morning. I just thought that was really fun to do, and I've been doing a few different things in that last video of me wanting to go to uni. I really had a lot of fun making that stuff. But don't worry, I really want to do some more installs on the MX5. Just go back to like the basics a little with these videos. Although I do like trying to push my video skills, I feel like just doing some simple installs and just videoing it will be really fun right now. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.